Hello guys, Sam here. A lot of you guys keep asking me how to unlock the max speed of this Fiido M1. Now I'm gonna show to you. Right now, the speed is, I press the throttle to the most. You see the max speed is 24 kilometers per hour, right? To unlock, so you first have to power off, right? And then you hold the two brakes, and then you press the throttle to the end at the same time, and then you power on the back, and you keep this gesture for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the same time, you can see this E004, and then you release. Okay, now let's check the speed. You see, it's now 31 kilometers per hour. Right? Okay, that's it.